Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about Excel chart and we will create this chart in a cell. We will create this chart in a cell using a formula. For this, let's create a sheet. For quick sum, press Alt equal keys. Here you can see that we have various options of this table. Please practice these. We will here use rept function, which means repeat. Rept simply repeats the text. So we will repeat this sign with the number of times. This total divided by 1000. And here you can see that there are so many bars now. So divide it with 10,000. Let's make it beautiful. Select all and change the font to playbill. Now divided it by 1000. We have graph here according to the values. We can also use a Sparkline. Here is the option in insert menu. Select the data range. And click the OK button. And here we have lines, Sparkline. There are various options here for these Sparkline. A Sparkline is a tiny chart in a worksheet cell that provides a visual representation of data. Use Sparklines to show trends in a series of values such as seasonal increase or decrease, economic cycle, or to highlight maximum and minimum values. Position a Sparkline near its data for greatest impact. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.